Hey guys, today we're gonna start with this little coloring thing. Let's get started. This is the green color. We're doing the green color now. I just wrote that earlier. I forgot to make a video with it. I'm gonna make a video of this too though. And then I will show you my other ones that I was making with the other video. Well, I don't know if I made another video with it. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. It's so hard. Oh, it's wiggling. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so wiggling. Okay. Here we go. Okay, to start. Look at that. Well, excuse me. That was my grandma that said that. This is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I want to show you guys my other ones. Here's this one. Here's this one. Look at her eyes. So beautiful. Look at her eyes. You guys see it? Oh, so beautiful. Here's Princess Tiana. She's so beautiful. She's saying hi. Now let's get back started on here. So here's a red color. Okay, let's get started coloring on here. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. I wish I had something to hold it. Let me see. Take you closer. I could go take you to see the fishes. I could go take you to